guys, so I decided I'm gonna do a little DIY tonight and I'm gonna turn the pants I'm wearing into a skirt, hopefully, but let me show you what they look like. So these are the pants that I love. They are so cool. They're just, I don't know, I love them, but I just would love them more if they were a skirt. Basically, I saw this chick do something like this on Pinterest and I was like, you know what? How hard can it be? So we're gonna give it a go. Okay, my theory is very simple. It started with, if this chick on Pinterest can do it, I can do it. And now it's moved to, if I can do it, you can do it. Because I don't actually have that many sewing skills. I just kind of taught myself and went, that's what my home ec teacher said to do, so it can't be much harder than that. So what I'm gonna start with doing, essentially with jeans, you have this extra fabric from the crutch that means you can pull it out, but the way that makes it like not weird, I suppose, is the way that you decide to sew that in. So I have no idea how I'm gonna do that yet, but we'll just see. At this point, you don't have to worry too much about like how perfect your cutting is. Just make sure you give yourself like a good 2 inches beyond what, like the length that you want your skirt to end up as, because you can always cut it off, but you can't make it longer. And especially if you want a shorter skirt, but then you cut it, but then you need more, and then you're like, oh my gosh, I can't wear this out. So just always cut it longer because you can change it as you're going, and that's way easier. Okay, so now they look like some freaky 3/4 that is not what I want to end up with. Now I'm guessing you just kind of got to unpick this, but I don't totally know. What I'm going to do now is just cut up this middle one. It's the inner leg seam. Actually, it's just coming undone itself now, which is a good sign. Okay, so do that on both sides. Middle. All right. Now what we have is the potential for a skirt. What we're looking at now is this bit here. As you can see, I can probably just sew from the bottom of the zip all the way down, and once I flip it over, it'll just be a skirt with like a center seam. I'm just gonna go for it. Okay, so now I have the back of a skirt and the front of a skirt. Now, the only thing, if you're like really pedantic about the details, which I'm not, especially when I'm making something for fun. Obviously, because we're joining these two bits together, there's a natural, like, just gathering. So I'm just gonna put it on and see what it looks like, and then decide what I want to do. Because you might find that actually, once you put it on, it doesn't look so bad. I'm happy with how it looks tentatively on. So all I've got to do now, there's the excess from the hem. So like this whole bit here, I'm just going to cut off. Here we go. What I discovered is that I want, like lengthwise, I want it about a hand shorter than it was. So if I just go, let me put you up here so you can see. So always make sure your buttons and stuff are done up before you attempt like hems and stuff, because they can alter what the length looks like. Okay, so now all I want to do is just like trim, as you can see, oops, this little bit. I just want to get him nice and even. What I want to do now is with this edge, I would much prefer a raw hem on this skirt. So I'm just gonna try, all you're gonna do is grab these little strays and pull them out, but make sure it stays pretty even along the whole skirt, otherwise you'll end up with just a huge chunk missing from one side. I just finished the skirt and I just need to put this belt on, which is actually one of my favorite things I bought in Japan. It's just like a big, thick grey one, but I'm gonna put the belt on and then show you what it looks like. Alright, I am in Paris's room because she has a better mirror, but this skirt is finished. I've just put on this little top. Our sensor light just came on and there's nothing out there. I just put on this little top because I think this one of these is like the exact colour of the skirt and it just looks really cute. Alright, here it is. I am really happy with the way this turned out. It's just so cute and it's really comfy, and eventually as it gets worn, this will fray even more. I actually was looking for my Western like double buckle belt. That's probably what I'd wear with this more, but I still just really love it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know. I was thinking of trying, like, I got this really cool vintage pair of like high-waisted jeans from an op shop the other day, and they just don't fit quite right. And I was thinking of maybe doing a skirt out of those as well. So let me know if you'd want to see that, see if it's transferable. But I'm so happy. Now I have a dusty pink cord skirt with a raw edge. Like, what more could I ever want in life? Bye!